Hello everybody, LA Contractor Web Designs here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put your website screenshots onto a device template. Okay, so this is my device template that I use every time. These are my website screenshots of a website I created. And this is the final product. Okay, first thing, we're going to use an app called Inkscape. So just search Inkscape and click on it and then press download now. Then click this link and it will download, and you just open it up and it will download. So now let's open up Inkscape. Go to screen, go to desktop 720p, and then just bring this down here. I'm just fix this for you guys. Okay, so now let's go to File, Document Properties. We're gonna make this 800 pixels by 400 pixels. Okay, and then it should readjust by itself. Yeah, it did. Okay, so now let's import our assets here and just press OK. And then bring the other ones, press OK. Bring the other one, press OK. Now it's big and we gotta shrink them. So you just drag the corners here. Let's go zoom in, drag corners. And now the white background is our canvas, so everything has to be in there. If not, it's not gonna work. Get this out the way. Okay, so now just fit it to the canvas. That looks good. Perfect. Okay, so now let's start with our mobile screenshot. So what I want you to do, click on it, press object, and go to lower. Okay. Now do it again. Press lower, and it should be behind the mobile template. So now you could fit it to the screen however you like. There we go. Make sure it is not okay. You get the idea. I'm just trying to show this because okay, let's leave it at that. And now we go to the next one. Also, you could just go to you click on your image and go to, this should be layers here. Put below that one, and there we go. Make sure everything's in the canvas, like I said a million times. Now, there we go. Alright, halfway there. So now that we have that, just go to your export button, which is this one right here, the one I clicked. So there's export right here. It's saved as a PNG. The first thing, oh sorry, go to export and put DPI. Let's go 180. Okay, that's for the image quality. If you don't put it like that, this will be all distorted and blurry. So now save it whatever you want, however format you want. There's SVG here, if you guys like SVG. I like PNG, so click on the little folder right there. Let's call it device done. Save it, and it should be right here. And there we go. That was that simple. You could probably make it better than me. I had my top navbar cut off, but you guys can make it better than me. So that's it. I like doing this method here because this Inkscape's the only way that I was able to compress my, no, it's not compress it, but make my my image smaller. I could resize my image. As you saw, I made it to 800 by 400, and now it's a PNG, so no background. And now you're able to get 100 speed like I have right here. And thank you.